No.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's happening there?
Where?
Who's video recording?
Right. What? Oh, now. Oh, that was just for my watch.
Video recording.
You fucking
YouTube much. Not suitable for people under 18.
Not suitable for anyone. Not suitable for anyone under the age of 30.
If you're over 30, you're perverted.
Anybody who wants to watch this has a very sick mind.
Taking place at the Metropole Hotel, Cork City, Ireland.
Just like, sit on my knees. I want to see kind.
Up, up, up. Baby fall.
Come on.
Oh no, he's saying come on. Teresa falls off bed.
You're on to them.
Teresa goes,
Come on.
come on, he said. Oh, what's he doing now?
Taking a rest.
I'll put this on YouTube, like, you know, we don't get converted.
Come on, take a rest. X-rated YouTube videos. No. I'm not here. I'm taking a rest. There's your hat. What? Yeah. There. Oh, that's on already. Yeah, I'm ready.
They're having a boring conversation now. Emma, yeah, lying on her chest for no reason, yeah. He's up for more. Come on, Teresa.
Emma, she's just joining. Yeah, gotcha.
Teresa goes, land it on my knees! Ow! That's my legs! I think I should stop now, but it's turning into porn. Thanks! Everyone. Starring Emma, the porn star. Target. Teresa,
the co-porn star.
The co-porn star.